Let's get started. Once again, thank you so much for joining today's webinar on Quality First Faster Releases with Shift Left Testing. I am Revati Zoshi, Senior Technical Lead Quality at DECOS. I'll be guiding you through today's session. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at today's agenda. We will begin today's session by understanding what is shift left testing, exploring the core concept and purpose of shift left testing earlier in the development lifecycle. Then we'll explore how delayed testing drives up cost and the shift left philosophy. Next, we will discuss about shift left versus shift right. We will also look at the benefits of shift left testing, what are the best practices in it. We will also see the example of shift left implementation in a healthcare project. We will try to understand common challenges and how to overcome them. Finally, we will wrap up with a view of future trends in shift left along with the key takeaways. This roadmap will help you think ahead and make informed decisions for your own organization. Let us first try to understand what is shift left testing. The testing landscape has witnessed a lot of advancements over time to satisfy the increasing demands for high quality software. In today's agile world, organizations want to be efficient, they want faster deployment cycles and evolving user requirements. As a result, it is not surprising to see them explore new methodologies to evaluate an application's functionality, reliability, and quality. In the medical device industry, delivering safe, effective, reliable, and compliant products is mandatory. Companies are constantly searching for innovative ways to meet industry requirements. Shift left testing is a software development approach that involves starting testing activities early in the development process. This strategy aims to identify and fix defects sooner, improving overall quality and reducing cost. It is a key strategy for enhancing medical device quality, reducing risk, and more easily meeting regulatory requirements. Shift left emphasizes early issue detection and remediation as well as incorporation of automated testing into the development process. Instead of starting after development and build, Shift Left incorporates more of its testing validation efforts during the planning, design, development, and build phases. Let's think of traditional software development models for a second. Traditionally speaking, testing was generally carried out after the software was built, that is, at the end. It was linear or sequential in nature. The waterfall model is a classic example of this approach. It follows a structured phase driven progression where each stage, requirement analysis, feasibility study, design, development, testing, and deployment must be completed before moving to the next. Since testing occurs only after development is finished, any defects discovered at this stage can be costly and time consuming to fix. In traditional software QA processes, development teams usually conduct QA testing towards the latter half of the development process, with most testing occurring post development and build. However, in most software life cycles, the bulk of issues are introduced during design and coding phases, making it more costly and difficult to remedy problems found during the more traditional late stage testing phase. As a result of it, the consequences came out to be late bug detection, That is, the bugs identified during later stages like UAT or post release are more complex and costlier to fix. Slower releases. Late stage defects means additional rework, retesting, and regression cycles. This disrupts the release schedules, affect market competitiveness, and frustrates the stakeholders. Increased risk. Critical vulnerabilities or functional failures might slip into production. And finally, the blame game. Poor collaboration often leads to finger pointing between QA and development. This results in the disconnect between development and quality assurance team. The shift left approach intends to identify and resolve bugs as early as possible in the development process. This improves software quality and reduces time spent in resolving issues later in the pipeline. The rigid nature of this model makes it less adaptable to changes, as going back to modify earlier phases can disrupt the entire development cycle. However, this is not the case with shift left testing. Shift left testing literally pushes testing to the left, that is, to earlier stages in the pipeline. Here, the development and testing phases take place concurrently. As soon as developers write a unit of code, testers run it to validate its functionality before pushing it to version control. Shift left testing primarily focuses on three aspects: uncovering and addressing bugs or errors as early as possible, accelerating the testing process with quicker feedback loops and faster iteration cycle, improving the quality of code so it's of a higher quality from the outset. If the code behaves unexpectedly, developers can fix it quickly. Shift left testing principles usually promote test early and often. They remove a large number of bugs before moving code into production phase. It's a win for everyone. Still, one may think, why to adopt this strategy? Let's understand more. Adopting a shift left testing strategy brings significant benefits across the software development lifecycle. Here is why teams and organizations should adopt it. Detect defects early. Bugs are identified in the design or development phase, not just during QA or after release. Cost of fixing a bug early is 5 to 10 times lower than fixing it later. Proactive risk management. Early validation of requirements, architecture, and code reduces risk. This ensures compliance and security issues are addressed upfront. Improve product quality. Continuous testing ensures functionality, security, and performance are built in, not bolted on. This reduces critical issues in production. Accelerate time to market. By catching issues earlier, we can avoid rework and delays, enabling faster feedback loops and shorter development cycles. Adoption of test automation for unit testing, static analysis, and automated test suite frees up QA teams to focus on exploratory and advanced testing. Enabling continuous integration and continuous delivery transforms your software development process into a streamlined, automated pipeline that boosts speed, quality, and collaboration. Reduce cost of quality. Preventing bugs is always cheaper than fixing them later. Fewer defects in later stages means less time spent on retesting, patching, or hotfixes. Shift left helps boosting customer satisfaction. Fewer post release bugs and faster delivery means happier users. This builds trust in the product and development team. Enhance collaboration. Encourages closer teamwork between developers, testers, business analysts, and DevOps. Promote shared responsibility for quality from day one. Support Agile and DevOps practices. Shift left aligns with Agile sprints and DevOps cycles. Testing becomes part of the sprint, not a separate phase. Closer understanding of the difference between left and right shift in testing, it's easy to reframe the question of shift left versus shift right. Shift left ensures quality before release. Shift right validates performance and usability after release. Shift left involves QA during requirements, design, and coding phases. Shift right testing does not replace shift left testing. Rather, they complement each other. You are meant to use both to give users a comprehensively positive experience when you are using your website or your application. Shift left emphasizes early integration of testing and quality assurance, allowing for early bug detection and better collaboration among developers and testers. Shift right involves testing software later in the process, typically in production environments, to identify issues before customers do. Main goal of shift left testing is to improve quality by testing early. Main goal of shift right testing is to ensure reliability through monitoring and feedback. Shift left speeds up delivery with better quality. Shift right helps with continuous improvement. Techniques mainly used for shift left testing are unit testing, static code analysis, API testing, integration testing. Techniques mainly used for shift right testing are A B testing, chaos engineering, real user monitoring, logging, metrics, and alerts. Let us now pause for a quick poll. I would like to ask one question for which there are multiple choices given. Please select the right answer. And the question is, what is the greatest benefit you have experienced or expect from shift left testing? And the options are early bug detection and cost savings, faster releases and better collaboration, improved product quality, or all of the above. All right. Thank you for participating in a poll. Yes, all the listed options are benefits that we get from shift left testing. Let us now try to understand these benefits more. Reduced cost involved in development and testing. Bugs found in later development stages often require major rework, affecting multiple dependencies and increasing cost. By shifting testing to earlier phases, developers can catch issues before they escalate, preventing expensive last minute fixes and avoiding project delays. Early bug detection ensures better code and quality. When defects are found late in the development cycle, they can cause major operational disruptions or financial losses. By incorporating testing from the start of development, shift left testing enables testers to identify bugs early, preventing issues from escalating later. This makes it easy for developers to fix bugs quickly, reducing complexity, avoiding costly rework. Early detection also simplifies debugging and minimizes maintenance efforts. Higher product quality. At the end of the day, improving customer experience is the ultimate goal. By identifying and addressing issues early through shift left testing, organizations can deliver more reliable, efficient, and user friendly products that meet customer expectations. Improved collaboration. The shift left testing strategy strongly emphasizes collaboration between cross functional teams, including developers, testers, and stakeholders. With the involvement of testers early in the development process, developers gain insights into potential challenges and risks, allowing them to create a robust preventive strategy. This shift left approach in testing improves the quality of the software and fosters a culture of teamwork within the organization. Accelerated time to market. With development and testing happening concurrently, the development pace remains steady. Organizations can release products faster without unexpected roadblocks. Effective use of time and resources. Late stage bug fixes disrupt the development workflow and force developers to revisit the old code. However, finding defects sooner means fewer panicked all hand moments. Developers can also shift their focus on building new features instead of constantly debugging old ones. Last, with utmost importance, is enhanced customer satisfaction. The final product is more likely to be what the customer envisioned and desired, leading to higher adoption and satisfaction. Customers appreciate knowing when to expect new features or improvements. Consistent and timely releases build anticipation and satisfaction. Happy customers means a thriving, sustainable business built on a foundation of trust, loyalty, and positive relationships. It's the ultimate goal of customer centric strategies. Here are some practices to implement shift left testing in your development process. Involve testers in planning and analysis phase. By introducing testers in the planning and analysis phase, the development team can receive feedback on the software design, testing feasibility, and input on potential testing scenarios. Testers can pinpoint any ambiguous requirements, missing requirements, and inconsistencies that may slow down the development process. In addition, testers can help developers in writing code by keeping testability in mind. This means specifying when to create mocks and stubs for testing modules not yet available. Define clear quality standards. For shift left testing to be successful, both development and testing teams must set clear expectations and quality standards to achieve high quality code. This can only happen when they understand the tech stack and testing infrastructure. When they can define code quality and test coverage goals, establish clear acceptance criteria for features. Both teams should be aware of each other's technical capabilities so they can provide support as and when needed. Adopt behavior driven development testing. BDD testing is an agile testing approach where test cases are written in simple natural language, making them easily understandable for non technical stakeholders. Its primary goal is to enhance collaboration among developers, testers, business analysts, and stakeholders by focusing on software behavior rather than implementation. Since BDD fosters cross functional collaboration, it aligns well with the shift left testing approach. Adopt automation testing. Automated testing is a key enabler of shift left testing, reducing manual effort and increasing test coverage. Automated unit and integration tests help identify bugs during development, not after release. UI testing authenticates the visual elements of an app's interface like menus, buttons, and text boxes. API testing validates the external endpoints of a single service and ensures they meet the requirements for reliability, performance, and security. Every code change triggers test, ensuring rapid validation. Automation reduces manual effort and repetitive tasks, freeing up testers for exploratory testing. Utilizing test automation tools in the shift left testing approach significantly reduces the pressure on the testing team. Let's look at the key types of shift left testing. Unit testing. Unit tests verify the functionality of individual modules within an application. Unit testing, often linked with test driven development, represents the initial phase of shift left testing. This catches bugs before integration where they are cheapest to fix. Integration testing. Integration test checks the combined functionality of services or applications, including any side effects. Example could be checking if patient registration triggers an email confirmation and updates the health record system, or verifying third party lab results are correctly retrieved and displayed. API testing focuses on testing application programming interface directly. This verifies that endpoints return the correct status codes, data formats, and responses. Contract testing validates the agreement between two services, typically an API provider and consumer. This ensures both sides understand and honor the expected request formats, headers, and behaviors. This speeds up development by allowing teams to test in isolation. UI tests validate the complete functionality of an application from user interface perspective. Tools like Selenium make it easier to automate these tests, ensuring a smooth user experience. Automated testing is a cornerstone of modern software quality assurance, and when paired with behavior driven development, tools like Cucumber, it becomes even more powerful and collaborative. Let us now move ahead with an example of shift left implementation in a healthcare project. As we begin with requirements phase, QA and security teams participate in planning meetings with stakeholders, developers, and business analysts. Test cases are written for data encryption and access control, audit trail validation, role based permissions in planning meetings with stakeholders, developers, and business analysts. They help define quality objectives, compliance standards, and potential risk areas. In design phase, testers don't wait for code. They engage with system architects early to shape technical blueprints with quality and security built in. Testers review authentication and authorization flows for patient data inputs, rate limiting and input validation to prevent misuse, encryption mechanism for transmitting sensitive data. Special scenarios are brainstormed to avoid surprises later, like concurrent access to patient records, interrupted transactions like lab orders being cancelled mid process, device compatibility across tablets and desktops, interoperability assurance. Testers help verify how the system will interact with lab systems, ensuring test results are reliably fetched and stored. Pharmacy modules confirming medication information syncs correctly. Insurance platforms for billing and eligibility checks. During the development phase, developers follow the TDD cycle. They write tests first, then code to pass those tests to ensure early continuous quality checks. Unit tests are written for patient registration workflows like validating required fields, ensuring duplicate entries are flagged, etc. Data validation rules. Check input format, test range limits, validate against business logic. Session timeout and auto logout ensure session ends after configured inactivity period, verifying alerts before logout, and validating secure logout to prevent unauthorized access. Next, CI/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous delivery. As part of continuous integration and delivery, these automated checks run on every code change, ensuring early detection of issues and smooth deployments. Static code analysis is done via SonarQube for bugs, security vulnerabilities. Security scans are performed and regression tests are triggered to ensure new changes haven't broken existing functionality. This helps building confidence in system integrity before reaching patients or clinicians. Compliance checks in a healthcare project are essential to ensure patient safety, data privacy, and adherence to legal and regulatory standards. Conducting simulated HIPAA audits using mock data allows organizations to identify potential compliance gaps and weaknesses in their systems and processes before a real audit occurs. This proactive approach helps in addressing issues early. HIPAA requires covered entities to track and log access to PHI. Continuous monitoring of these logs help identify unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security incidents, enabling timely responses and mitigation. Privacy impact assessments assess the potential privacy risk associated with new systems, applications, or processes before they are integrated into production environment. By conducting PIS early, organizations can identify and address privacy concerns proactively, minimizing the risk of PHI being compromised. Here are the powerful outcomes that demonstrate the real value of implementing shift left testing, especially in a healthcare context where quality and security are paramount. Early unit and integration testing identified flaws before release, cutting customer reported issues in half. Automated testing and streamlined CI/CD processes allowed smoother development flow and quicker deployment. Proactive compliance audits and early security testing fostered trust among regulators, hospital administrators, and clinicians. Shift left practices caught a high risk issue during requirements analysis, preventing costly rework and ensuring patient safety. These kinds of results aren't just technical wins, they are strategic advantages that elevate team morale, user satisfaction, and regulatory confidence. Let's again perform a quick check based on the information that we have gathered till now. I would like to again ask one question for which there are multiple choices given. Please select the right answer. And the question is, which phase of the SDLC begins benefits most from shift left testing? The options are deployment, maintenance, requirements and design, or post release. All right. Thank you for participating in this poll. Yes, and the right answer is requirements and design. Fixing a bug during this phase is far cheaper than fixing it during deployment or post release. Early testing leads to quicker releases and better quality. We have talked about the benefits of shift left testing, but what about the challenges? Moving testing earlier in the development process brings its own set of hurdles you need to be prepared for. Let's look at the challenges and also the ways to overcome them. Resistance to change. Resistance to change from traditional mindsets is a common and deeply rooted challenge in many organizations, especially in sectors like healthcare and IT. Developers, testers, or managers may be reluctant to adopt new processes. Lack of skills or training. Testers may not have development knowledge, for example, writing unit tests or automation scripts. Developers may not be skilled in writing effective tests. Tooling and infrastructure. Early testing requires robust tools for automation, static code analysis, and CI CD integration. Setting up and maintaining these tools can be resource intensive. Communication silos. Shift left demands close collaboration between developers, testers, and business analysts. Poor communication can lead to missed requirements or duplicated efforts. Quality control during transition. Maintaining high quality while teams adapt to new workflows and tools is tough. There is a risk of overlooking critical tests during the learning curve. Though there are many challenges we have seen, there are obviously ways to overcome them. Let's see what are those. Training and upskilling. Invest in cross functional training for developers and testers, recognizing and rewarding upskilling efforts, usage of certification and skill assessments to measure growth, share knowledge across teams regularly. Leadership support. Ensure management champions the left and allocates resources. Leaders ensure that shift left testing aligns with business goals like faster delivery, improved quality, and reduced cost. They help embed testing into the organization's culture, not just its process. Leaders help overcome resistance to new workflows by communicating the value of early testing. They foster a mindset shift from reactive QA to proactive QA. Tool selection. Ensuring tools support your programming languages, frameworks, and CI CD platforms. Look for the tools that enable unit integration, API, and UI testing. Tools help catch security and configuration issues early before they hit production. Agile practices. Use iterative development and feedback loops to refine testing strategies. Iterative development enables early and frequent testing of small functional increments. Daily stand ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives surface issues early. Feedback from users and testers helps improve both code and test coverage. Benefits of Agile plus Shift Left synergy are numerous, like faster time to market, higher quality, better collaboration, and adaptability. Let us explore what are the future holds for Shift Left testing. Deeper integration with DevOps and CI/CD. Shift left testing will become even more ingrained in CI CD pipelines with automated tests running continuously with every code commit. This ensures immediate feedback and rapid defect detection. The test as you code philosophy will become the norm with developers taking greater ownership of testing their own code. AI and machine learning driven testing. AI powered predictive analytics will identify high risk areas in the code that are more prone to defects, allowing development teams to focus their testing efforts proactively. AI will enable automated test scripts to adapt and self heal in response to changes in the application's UI, APIs, or functionality, reducing maintenance overhead. AI will analyze test results to identify redundant tests, suggest new ones, and optimize the overall test suite for efficiency and effectiveness. Enhanced focus on security and performance left. Security testing will continue its shift left with increased adoption of static application security testing, dynamic application security testing, and interactive application security testing integrated early into the development process and CI/CD pipelines. Performance testing will be a more integral part of early development, using lightweight tools and techniques to identify bottlenecks and scalability issues before they become critical. Cultural shift and collaboration. The lines between developers, testers, and operation teams will continue to blur, fostering greater collaboration and shared responsibility for quality. Quality as a shared responsibility. The mindset of quality is everyone's responsibility will become even more deeply embedded in organizational culture, moving beyond just the QA, upskilling, and training. There will be a continuous need for upskilling and development and QA teams in new tools, methodologies, and automation practices. Just to summarize, Shift Left focuses on early testing, automation, and cost reduction. It's also a mindset shift and not just a process change. Comprehensive and error free testing, starting at the development level, prevents bugs from showing up at later stages, which reduces the time and effort required to handle them. It is almost always easier to fix the bugs that developers discover before pushing the code. It also allows the software to hit the market faster and reduces the possibility of lost revenue and credibility due to entirely avoidable bugs. Shift left ensures high quality software by catching defects early, thereby saving time, money, and rework efforts. It leads to faster, higher quality releases and happier customers. By integrating testing into development, shift left testing empowers organizations to identify and fix bugs early in the development process and save significant time, effort, and cost required to fix them in the later stages. Embrace the journey, the benefits are worth it. We are a strong player in software services and healthcare industry for last 25 years. We have delivered significant projects for various clients across globe in the field of new product development and legacy devices. At Decos, we don't just develop products, we bring ideas to life and ensure they are built to last in today's dynamic and highly regulated markets. Whether you need to create something from scratch, enhance an existing solution, or navigate complex compliance landscapes, we have you covered. Our services are end to end product development, custom software and firmware development, hardware and mechanical design, software verification and validation, system engineering and risk management, regulatory and quality compliance, QMS documentation, implementation and training, product security gap assessment, sustaining engineering, including remediation, and many more. So that's all for today. I hope this webinar gave you greater insights about shift left testing, its benefits from faster releases with high quality. We would be more than happy to help you with any of your product designs, development, prototyping, optimization, and troubleshooting. We use cutting edge techniques and tools for our work. Please note, a recorded version of this webinar will be available on our website within a week. We will also send you an email with the link on your registered email ID to access this webinar. Once again, I would like to thank you all for your time. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.